And with the autistic or ADHD people, honestly, which I observed more than 200 of candidates, that diet really plays an important role to make them non-hyperactive because it really gives them such energy or like the level of satisfaction or the what happens whether they find little secretion of dopamine or not. But yeah, it plays an important role. Yesterday he took some fried chicken and he started running like anything. He stopped thinking, he stopped listening me. कुछ नहीं सुनना, हाथ छोड़ा, मेन रोड पे भागने लगा. कि मैं क्या ही करूँ, मेन रोड पे भाग रहा है. पकड़ा उसको, उसने मारपीट चालू कर दी विद मी एंड विद अदर किड्स ऑल्सो. ये था immediate reaction after eating some quantity of fried chicken. So again I'm going to take him on plain diet, but he doesn't like that diet. So one has to really do this thing, this experiment. कम से कम एक हफ्ते का डाइट का उसका प्रोग्राम बनाएं ग्लूटेन फ्री का. More than 60% improvement will come. Hyperactivity will definitely control. और अगर इससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है तो कभी रिस्क कमिंग. He is coming. ये आ रहा है. He is running. He is running. He is running. He cannot stop running. Wait. Doggy. How are you, Kabir? Give me a high five. Give me a high five. कहाँ गए थे आप? Look here. आरुषि. आरुषि में कहाँ गए थे?
ये तो अमात है.
अमात थे. आपने क्या किया था वहाँ? Trampoline. Daily you do trampolining. What else? No. Don't touch that. खिला लो. अच्छा. What else? No. मारेगा. What happened? कबीर सुनो तो आपने क्या किया वहाँ? What was that activity? Puzzle. Please talk to me. Please talk to me. कार लेके नहीं आना आपको. Now you have stopped listening me. Hey Kabir, listen to me. Bye, I'm moving. Bye. Okay, I'm moving. Bye alone. No. So he started loving these cars daily. He thinks like this car is mama's car. So that's why he goes and touches and come back. Kabir, I'm moving back home. Come back. Why the hell are you running? So this hyperactivity is not going to control by any OT. It's like it's going to control only by the diet and the regular practice. Kabir, come here. Say something about your OT. I'm sending this video to your bhau. Hey Kabir, come here. हाँ, you have done this. कार्ड छू लिया आपने? All right. Let me know who taught you today. Exhibitor. Who taught you? What was the activity? Let me know. Car. Was car your activity? What activity did you do?
आग जल रही.
आग जल रही है. अच्छा, let me know. लावा आ गया. बता, इतनी बड़ी बातें करते हो. Who was you?
क्या खाने?
Who attended you there in OT?
And notice the outside comment.
What are you saying? I'm not understanding. So you have done some activity. कैसी थी वो activity? What was there in the activity? Let me know.
अभी पुलिस वाले आ गए.
पुलिस आपको लेने आ रही है. You know, you have done some bad activity. That is why. बोले तो कुछ. क्या हुआ था OT में?
I want some chapter.
I'll give you some chapter. First you give my answer. Yeah, look in this. क्या किया था आपने OT में?
OT ने किया था
Fish. And
cars.
And cars. And किसने सिखाया आपको? Who taught you this? Arzu ma'am. And who else was there? और कौन था वहाँ?
वहाँ देखा था अब्बास.
You're telling lie. Abbas has stopped coming by 1 month.
पानी.
It's more than
पानी.
1 month he has stopped
मुझे
coming.
पानी पीना.
Yes, I'm giving you. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Bhau.